Good morning, beautiful souls. Happy Tuesday, and welcome back to the weekly Inner Bloom. Trust is built in micro moments. Let's talk about that today. If you are rebuilding after heartbreak, divorce, betrayal, or even workplace politics, listen closely. Trust is not built in big promises. It is built in small consistencies. It's showing up when you say you will, following through, emotional steadiness, honesty without performance. Many people in their 30s or mid-40s struggle with trust because they have been burnt in love, family, or business. But here's the deeper truth. Sometimes we don't trust others because we stopped trusting ourselves first. Got a question for you guys today. Where do I need to trust within myself before demanding it from someone else? I'm going to let that sit with you, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Take great care of yourselves and your loved ones. Stay safe, and remember, you're whole, resourceful, and complete just the way you are. Let go, grow, transform, and evolve. This is your Inner Bloom journey. I thank you all for watching. Take care. See you tomorrow. Love you all. Thank you so much.